that's the end of the fourth module over here, guys. And let's have a quick recap of what all things we have learned over here. We started by understanding what are Python libraries, why do we require them, and two of the libraries that we have focused over here is NumPy and Matplotlib. In NumPy, we started by understanding how we can create NumPy arrays and use some of its functionalities to understand them better. And then what are some different ways through which we can create NumPy arrays? And one of the most important module over here that we are having inside NumPy is random, because you will see that you will be using this now and then as we go ahead in this program. And then we looked into what is Matplotlib library. We understood by creating some of the very first visualization using Matplotlib, customized it the way we wanted it, and then also whatever is the notebook that we had created, we also have added it to the GitHub repository. Now in the next video, we are going to start with the first project that we'll be dealing with based on all of this understanding, and it's going to be super fun. So yeah, just stay tuned for that.